Sexy, healthy summer rolls. Hi there foodies, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe to be notified of future videos. Hi, my name is Nadine from Nosh. Welcome to the channel and thank you for watching. We are making today summer rolls. This is a very lovely summer dish or spring dish and only requires fresh ingredients, so ideal for vegan, but you could add meat or fish if you like. So you need a chunk of cucumber, chunk of carrot, some fresh herbs like basil, which I chopped roughly, fresh rocket from the garden, some lettuce leaves, and some avocado. All the ingredients are chopped, and you always also need some rice paper leaves, soya sauce, peanut butter, and some sweet chili sauce. For your sauce, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter with plus minus 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Mix it together. Too much soya sauce would make it too salty. If you feel it is too sticky, you could still add a bit of water to this. So I'm going to add a little water. Until you get a nice smooth consistency. You can also make a second special sauce which adds a little bit more freshness. So that is sweet chili sauce, and I'm going to add a little bit of freshly squeezed thyme to this. It just makes it so much nicer. And again, a nice runny consistency. To assemble your delicious summer rolls, you just need this rice paper and you put it into boiling hot water. One at a time, as you see, gluten-free and vegan. You can see as well it's becoming nice and soft. If you are in a rush, you could do a second one at the same time. Take it out and make sure you're loosening it up while it is still wet, so don't let it dry. Onto a wet table. See, this one is a bit broken. We're not going to use that one. Okay, but we can still put it inside and shred it up. Onto wet table. Peanut butter dipping sauce. Carrots, cucumber, avocado, lettuce, basil, wild rocket, spring onions, and sweet chili sauce. And of course, if you have a sheet which broke, you can put some of this in as well. Over, close in the sides, and wrapped up. So as you can see, this is a very healthy way of a summer dish, or even for a diet without any deep frying. Voila, bon appetit! Thank you so much for watching this video, I very much appreciate it. If you enjoyed that video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like. If there's a dish you would like me to make, please leave me a message in the comments. Remember, as long as you cook from the heart, your food will always be delicious.